Hi, I'm Victor, and now I'm gonna teach you how to do string art. So, you need some string with multicolor, some small nails, a wooden board, and a hammer, and you need some paint to spray paint the wooden board. So now I'm gonna do that. So I spray painted my board, and while it's drying, I'll show you my template. I'll put it down below so you can print it out, and each dot represents a nail. So the nails are gonna be closer on the bottom and farther on the top. And so we're gonna color it out. Not on the dots, just on the very edge. So now, since my board is dry and I cut out my template, we put the template on the board like this. Everywhere where there's a dot is where the nails go. You might need the help of an adult. Mom! So now, Mom just put the nails in, and now we don't need this template anymore, so we pull it out. And we tie a knot on a nail. It doesn't matter which one. So you cut off the axis. And you go every 13 with thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you go there. Yeah. Now another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, since I'm back to the beginning of where I started, and every nail is filled with a string, I'm done with this color. And the bigger the number, the smaller the hole. So, since it's 13, the hole is pretty small. So you cut it off. So now, since we're done with this color, I tie the knot at the end and then we cut off the axis. And then we push it down. Now since we push this color down, we go to the next color. Instead of 13 for this one, we will do 12. So now we count every 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I'm done with the second one. I tied the knot at the end and pushed it down. Now I'm at the third color, which is gonna go for 11 nails instead of 12. 11. It's supposed to be 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we will be going every 10 with the whites. So I'm done with this color and you see a pattern that looks like a peacock's feather. So I'm done with this color. Now I'm going to the next color, which is blue. So I tie it here, and then I'll just do it by 9. And indigo is gonna be 8 instead of 9. So we start at 1 and then we tie it and then we go by every 8 nail. So this is my last color. Now the last color will be by 7 nails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then again. So I'm done with the last color. So this is how it looks like at the end. So there is 29 nails in all. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.